For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has hit out at China. Pompeo criticized the Chinese army for escalating the border situation with India. Pompeo called the Chinese Communist Party a rogue actor. Pompeo said that the Chinese government wants to undo all the progress made by the free world. The PLA, People's Liberation Party, has escalated border tensions with India, the world's most populous democracy. It is militarizing the South China Sea and illegally claiming more territory there, threatening vital sea lanes. Along the way, the CCP took advantage of our goodwill while assuring us they wanted a cooperative relationship. As former Chinese politician Zheng Xiaoping said, "Hide your strength, bide your time." I've talked in other venues about why this happened. It's a complicated story. It's no one's fault. The attack by Pompeo came amid the violence clashes along the line of actual control, where the Chinese army killed 20 Indian soldiers, including a commanding officer. The Chinese soldiers used stones, nail-studded iron rods, and sticks in the brutal attack on Indian soldiers. Pompeo continued to tear into China for its handling of COVID-19 and called China a liar and wholly responsible for the outbreak. The CCP isn't just a rogue actor in its own neighborhood. It lied about the coronavirus and let it spread to the rest of the world while pressurizing the WHO to assist its cover-up campaign. Hundreds of thousands of people have died and global economy has been decimated. Even now, months into the pandemic, China has not provided access to live virus samples, facilities, or information about patients in December in Wuhan. China is pushing disinformation and malicious cyber campaigns to undermine governments and to derive a wedge between US and Europe. Pompeo continued to blame China for its treatment of the minority Uyghur Muslims. Pompeo's attack on China for its treatment of minority Uyghur Muslims came after the former NSA John Bolton alleged that Trump had approved of China's construction of large-scale concentration camps. At the opening dinner of the Osaka G20 meeting in June 2019, with only interpreters present, Xi had claimed to Trump why he was basically building concentration camps in Xinjiang. According to our interpreter, Trump said that Xi should go ahead with building the camps, which Trump thought was exactly the right thing to do. Pompeo condemned China's brutal attack on its minorities. General Secretary Xi Jinping has green-lighted a brutal campaign of repression against Chinese Muslims, a human rights violation on a scale we haven't seen since World War II. Now the PLA has escalated border tensions with India. China was under fire after it detained millions of Uyghur Muslims, who are the minorities in China, in concentration camps. Several reports have claimed that Uyghur underwent brutal torture, rape, and sterilization, among other abuses. Pompeo also focused on the situation in Hong Kong and said that US's action on Hong Kong will depend on how China treats it. To the extent Hong Kong is treated by the Chinese Communist Party as just another piece of mainland China, there's no reason for the US to treat it any differently. I don't want to foreclose anything that the president might choose to do. Pompeo made the statements in his virtual address on Europe and China Challenge during the Copenhagen Democracy Summit.